everybody, Shane here. I'm going to do a little shooting this evening, but before I do, I was going to show you a little thing I do to kind of refresh my target face. You know, everybody gets these bag targets and we shoot them up, and then they get to where they won't hardly hold an arrow anymore, so you can either get a new skin for it or whatever. But anyway, I've got a second skin on this particular one, but I'm going to show you what I've been doing just to extend the life of it and give me a decent target face. Alright, so let me show you what I do. Okay, so here's my old target. You can see it's got a few holes in it. Kind of a little shabby. So, just got it held on here with a bungee cord. Take it off. There we go. There's our basic shot out target bag. Kind of pull it back together here. But all I do, we all seem to be getting, you know, lots of boxes on hand now from our online shopping and whatnot. So I just cut out a little cardboard now and then and take the old pocket knife. Got a couple holes in it. Nothing fancy. That'll do. Get the old bungee cord back on it. And then just finish it off with a little Krylon in this case. Nothing fancy. Anything will work. You could use a Sharpie. And there we go. That's it. Now we got a fresh target. A couple of nice aiming points on it. Let's set it up and shoot it. I'm shooting a 35-pound slick stick and 400 spine arrows with 200 grain field points, about 18 yards or so. Starting off cold here, so who knows what's going to happen. I've got a little buck there in the target. That'll work. Wonderful. Pull those and try it again. Okay, let's see if we can clean this up a little bit. Got holes all over the target. Bullseye's pretty safe. Settle down. Now that's better. See if we can keep doing that. Oh, nice. 2 for 2. Okay, 3. Not too shabby. Claim those. doing horrid. See if we can hold it together for 2 more. 6. One more. There we go. Had to throw one out just for good measure. Let's take a closer look at that one. That one wasn't really too bad. Yeah, not too bad, huh? That one there, last one, kind of went out at about 4 o'clock, but the rest of them were, for me, not bad at all. Okay, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.